Welcome to Cooking Shit with Sean, Secret Spice episode. Looky here, I got a fucking package from Whitney, the Appalachian Forager. We did a little trade. I sent her my fermented garlic honey and she sent me her famous oyster mushroom seasoning. No, of course I'm not using that knife, dumbass. Right tool for the right job. A fucking samurai sword is the right tool for this fucking job. Now, Whitney forages and grows oyster mushrooms to make this seasoning. And if you want to know what's in it, you'll just have to go fucking follow her, won't you? Let's see here. Fucking adorable. It says, oyster for rusty eyeball. And this cute-ass label that says, wild mushroom seasoning by the Appalachian Forager. Alright, let's open this bitch up. Fuck! The fuck? Had a little Appalachian air escape. Alright, let's see what it tastes like. Well, smack my fucking meemaw. Damn. Now, I've been sprinkling this shit here on veggies. It's fucking delicious. Put it on boiled eggs. I eat about a pound of my own mustache hair every year. I even put this mushroom seasoning on mushrooms. I don't give a fuck. Alright, we're going to use Whitney's awesome seasoning to make this Bibimbap bowl, a Korean and Appalachian fusion. Not sure that's a sentence that's ever been spoken. Put that shit in your rice along with some fresh ginger and olive oil. Saute carrots, put that mushroom shit in there. Saute some zucchini, you guessed it. Put that shit all up in there. I got a little thyme on my hands. That fucking squirrel dug another hole in it. Put that thyme in some sauteed cremini and baby bella mushrooms. Dump some fucking red wine in it. Pickle some green onion and white vinegar and a bit of salt. And the sauce is 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sugar, a splooge of sriracha, and some of my fermented garlic honey, because it's fucking good. Finishing up the mushrooms, blackening some snap peas, put some more Appalachia powder on that shit. I tell you what, it's been really fucking cool meeting and supporting other creators on here. I'm digging the online cross-pollination. Alright, now you're going to want to mix up all the fucking veggies and then fry up some eggs to put on top. Now, I've made this shit before, but the Appalachian Forager's mushroom seasoning took it to the next fucking level. Seriously, no shit. You're going to want some of this. Let's see what Whitney thought of the garlic honey. Fuck. Fuck is the universal word for yum. Speaking of yum, I was so fucking inspired I wrote a song about it. It goes... Go follow the Appalachian Forager. She's fucking badass. Buy her shit. It's fucking delicious. The end. Now y'all go follow the Appalachian Forager on TikTok and Instagram. You hear? Go on, get.